Welcome to the world of essential oils for nail health. In this video, we will explore the benefits of using essential oils to promote strong and healthy nails. Essential oils are natural remedies that can help improve the overall health and appearance of your nails. By incorporating essential oils into your nail care routine, you can strengthen your nails, prevent breakage, and promote growth. Nail health is essential for overall well-being, and using natural remedies, like essential oils, is a safe and effective way to maintain healthy nails. Discover the top essential oils that can help enhance the strength and growth of your nails. Essential oils like tea tree oil, lemon oil, and lavender oil are known for their nourishing properties that can support healthy nails. Applying essential oils to nails is simple. You can dilute them with a carrier oil and gently massage into the nails and cuticles. This helps in better absorption and effectiveness. By using these essential oils regularly and correctly, you can promote nail strength, prevent brittleness, and achieve healthier nails overall. Explore how essential oils can help in treating nail fungus effectively. Certain essential oils, like tea tree oil, oregano oil, and cinnamon oil possess antifungal properties that can combat nail fungus. When using essential oils for nail fungus treatment, it's important to properly dilute them and apply consistently to the affected nails. The natural compounds in these essential oils can help in inhibiting fungal growth, relieving symptoms, and promoting healthy nail regeneration. Incorporating essential oils into your nail care routine can be a beneficial and holistic approach to addressing nail fungus issues. Learn about the benefits of using essential oils to moisturize and nourish your nails. Essential oils like jojoba oil, almond oil, and coconut oil are rich in nutrients that can hydrate and strengthen nails. Creating DIY nail oil blends with these essential oils can provide deep hydration and nourishment to your nails and cuticles. Regular application of these oil blends can help in preventing dryness, brittleness, and damage, resulting in healthier and more resilient nails. Embrace the natural goodness of essential oils for well-nourished and beautiful nails. In conclusion, essential oils offer a natural and effective way to enhance nail health. They provide nourishment, strength, and protection for your nails, promoting overall wellness. To incorporate essential oils into your nail care routine, consider adding a few drops to your nail creams, cuticle oils, or DIY treatments. Additionally, remember to perform a patch test before using any new essential oil, and consult a dermatologist if you have any skin sensitivities. By following these tips and staying consistent with your nail care regimen, you can experience the full benefits of essential oils for healthy and beautiful nails.